Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be asking the question why the BMW tests me all the time.
Somewhere down there.
So all the lights on the dashboard decided to come on, and then I plugged into it while it was still in its drive cycle, and it come up with the idle speed control valve stuck open. So we will work on the bimmer, break it down, fix it, see what actually is up with it. And then when we fix this, hopefully it's one less problem for the BMW to deal with, and then hopefully we can get back to the other bits we want to get done on it, like welding the exhaust, the under sealing. We need to figure out where that the coolant issues coming from. To be fair, there's a lot of issues, but anyway, we'll get through them. We'll sort them out. Remember, guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
And remember, guys, garbage can, you can.